What's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram, are you watching Infinity Explorer? Today is my birthday.
Learning a new skill is always a joyful thing. So to begin this year, I am going to do a thing I never tried before. I am going to cook bamboo chicken. It's a very famous dish in Telugu states and the taste of it cannot be compared with any other chicken dishes. It has its unique taste and cooking process is quite different. The aroma of bamboo and the taste of a chicken. Beautiful combination. Watch this video till the end and enjoy the process. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you are new here, consider subscribing and share your opinion in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To cook the chicken, we use bamboo shells as containers. So let's go for bamboo hunt. Cutting a bamboo tree is quite difficult. First we need to separate a single tree. As bamboo grows in the bushes, it's hard to take one out from the bush. I can make a complete video out of the process of cutting the bamboo from the bushes. But anyway, let's move forward. And then remove extra branches on the sides. Then we have to cut into pieces just above the joints. So we will get cylindrical shells so we can cook the chicken inside it. Then wash the cylinders with water to clean the dust. As we are going to fill the chicken inside, we need it to be clean and safe. After that, let's wash our fresh chicken. Here I am taking about 1.5 kilograms of it. Let's add other ingredients as well. Salt goes in first. Coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, 1 egg. I'm adding ingredients with approximate values, just like our moms cook by visual measurements. Some turmeric powder, some more chili powder. Add some chili slices to spice it up a bit more. Now take a fresh lemon, remove the seeds and squeeze it. Mix it well that every chicken piece gets coated well and well marinated with the spices. Unlike marinating for hours, we are just adding this chicken masala mixture right into the fresh bamboo tubes. Add the pieces to the bamboo. Use a stick to move the chicken pieces to the end of the tube so we can fill it up completely without any gaps. Leave some space at the opening to close the tube with leaves. In the same way, fill up all the bamboo tubes with chicken. I even tried making bamboo biryani. Marination process is the same, the only difference is I added biryani leaves and some other spices and added soaked rice into it and mix it well. I did the same thing here as well, fill the rice and chicken mixture to the tubes. Now all our bamboo tubes are filled with chicken, the openings are waiting to be sealed. Take any leaves. Here I am taking banana leaves and pushed it inside hard to make sure it has a strong fit and no air can escape from it. As this chicken cooks with steam, we should make sure that steam cannot escape from the tubes. So we need to make a tight seal and do the same thing with the rest. These are now ready to be cooked. Set up a barbecue and place all the chicken filled bamboo tubes on top of it. After you add all those, do not add firewood after that. Let the tubes cook by the charcoal left. After some time, rotate the tubes occasionally with a long stick to prevent yourself from getting hit by the hot radiation from the burning firewood. After about 25 minutes, take all the tubes outside the barbecue and wait for them to slowly cook from inside with steam. And let the outer shell cool, so we can enjoy hot bamboo chicken from inside. Now it's time to serve. A lemon with onions will be a good choice with combination of any type of chicken. Let's open this up. The tube is still hot. Take out the leaf cover and with the help of a stick, take out all the chicken from it. You can see the steam out from the tube. Looking beautiful. Let's open the other one. Can't wait to taste. These bamboo cylinders contains water. On heating it slowly, the water comes to steam and gets infused with the chicken inside it. So you'll get a taste of bamboo and the chicken. We cooked bamboo biryani as well. Let's take it out, and I don't know how it tastes. It's my first attempt making it. Let's see how it tastes.
So we have bamboo chicken ready and the biryani ready to have a look. It's not quite looking good, but it's really good. Smell so awesome. Good. Let's try this one. Let's try nimbo. With nimbo and this one. Let me try. Also, no problem. This is the first time I'm trying, and I can't say it's so tasty. Let's try this one biryani. I don't think so it came good, but let me try. It's not that good. It's okay, but not that good as the chicken. Chicken cooked well. Because of the tube's diameter, it didn't cook well. The rice is still so hard, but it's good to eat like this. Let's do one more. Look at the piece and structure. Let's add extra spice. And a small pump.
Even in my first attempt, it was perfect. I think you guys should try this too. When you are in a trip with friends or family, cooking this type of dishes can give you a lot of joy and fun. So give it a try and have some fun.
I think so. You have this point, and it's very awesome. Try this at your home, and meet you next week with a brand new video. Until then, keep exploring infinity.